Asking for directions. New York. Hello. Sorry to bother you. Can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I am looking for Times Square. Can you tell me the way?
Yes. Go straight on this street for 2 blocks.
2 blocks straight. Okay.
Then turn right at the traffic lights.
Turn right at the lights. Got it.
Keep walking for about 5 minutes. You will see Times Square on your left.
5 minutes walking. Thank you. Is it far from here?
No, it is not far. You can go there by foot.
That's good. I like walking in the city.
Times Square is very busy, but it is a nice place to visit.
I heard it is very famous.
Yes, you will see many big screens and shops.
That sounds exciting.
Do you need directions to the subway, too?
Yes, please. I want to go to Central Park after Times Square.
After Times Square, go to 7th Avenue. You will see the subway station on the right.
7th Avenue. Right. Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit in New York.
I will. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
At the hotel reception. Hello. I have a reservation.
Hello. Welcome to the hotel. May I have your name, please?
Yes. My name is Anna Brown.
Thank you, Miss Brown. Let me check your reservation.
Okay.
Yes, I see your booking here. You are staying for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Would you like a room with 1 bed or 2 beds?
1 bed, please.
No problem. Your room is on the 5th floor.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, the elevator is on your right.
Great. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included in your stay.
That's perfect. Do you have Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is free. The password is on your key card.
Thank you.
Here is your key card, room 512.
Thank you very much.
If you need anything, please let us know.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay in New York.
Thank you. I'm very excited to be here. Hotel room, housekeeping. Hello, housekeeping. May I come in?
Hello. Yes, but we don't need cleaning today.
Okay. Would you like fresh towels?
Yes, please.
Anything else? Coffee, tea, soap?
No, thank you. We have everything.
All right. Is everything else okay in the room?
Actually, the lamp is not working.
Oh, I'm sorry. I will call maintenance.
Thank you. That would be great.
Do you need anything else while I'm here?
No, just the lamp. Thank you.
Okay. Here are your fresh towels.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Maintenance will fix the lamp soon.
That's perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Here's a tip for you.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Buying perfume. Hello. Can I help you today?
Hello. Yes, I want to buy perfume for my wife.
Have you found anything yet? Or do you need help?
I need help. I'm not sure what to choose.
No problem. What kind of scent does your wife like?
She likes sweet and floral scents.
Okay. I have something you can try. This one is very popular.
Let me smell. I'm not sure. It's too strong.
I understand. Let me show you another one. This is softer and more floral.
Oh, yes, this one is nice.
Great. Do you want the small or large bottle?
The large one, please.
No problem. Will that be all?
Yes, that's perfect.
That will be 50 pounds.
Okay, I'll pay in cash. Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your change and your perfume.
Thank you very much. I'm sure she will love it.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Breakfast at home. Good morning, John.
Good morning, Emma.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, but I woke up early. The sun was very bright.
Oh, really? I slept well. I needed the rest.
What are we having for breakfast?
I made pancakes and eggs. Coffee is ready too.
Pancakes? Great! I love pancakes.
Do you want some jam or honey?
I will try honey today.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. It smells so good.
How was work today? Do you have a busy day?
Yes, many emails and meetings. I feel a little tired already.
Do not worry. Breakfast will give you energy.
You are right. These pancakes are delicious.
I am glad you like them.
Can I help you with coffee?
No, thank you. I already poured it. But could you pass me the butter, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Do you want to watch the news while we eat?
Yes, just for a little, but not too long. I need to start work soon.
Okay, only a few minutes. So, what are your plans for today?
I need to finish a report, then call a client, and maybe clean my office.
Sounds busy. Do not forget to drink water.
I will not. By the way, did you remember to call the dentist?
Oh, I forgot. I will do it after breakfast.
Good. Do not forget, okay?
I will not. Thank you for reminding me.
You're welcome.
Do you want more pancakes?
Yes, please. One more with honey.
Here you go. Enjoy.
Thank you. You really make the best breakfast.
You are sweet. I am happy you like it.
I do. Maybe next weekend we can try waffles.
Yes, let's do that.
Great. I think I'm ready for work now.
Okay, do not forget your coffee cup.
I will not. Thank you for breakfast, Emma.
You are welcome. Have a good day at work.
Gym membership. Hello, John. How are you?
Hello, Mike. I am good, thank you. And you?
I am fine. I want to ask you something.
Sure. What is it?
I am thinking about joining a gym. Do you go to one?
Yes, I go to Fit Life Gym. It is very good.
Really? What do you like about it?
The equipment is new and clean. There are many classes, and there is a swimming pool.
That sounds great.
Do you want to go together? I can show you the place.
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Okay, first, you need to choose a membership plan.
What are the options?
You can pay monthly, 3 months, or yearly.
How much is monthly?
Monthly is $50, 3 months is $140, yearly is $500.
Oh, I think monthly is better for me.
Yes, monthly is good if you want to try first.
What about classes? Are they included?
Some classes are included. Weight training, cardio, and aerobics are free. Personal trainer classes cost extra.
I see. I do not need a personal trainer.
Okay, you also need a locker key and towel service.
How much are they?
Locker key is $10 per month. Towel service is $5 per month.
That is fine. I will take both.
Great. You also need to fill out a form and sign a contract.
No problem.
Do you want to start today?
Yes, I want to start this week.
Perfect. I can help you with the form.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
I hope so. I want to exercise, get stronger, and maybe swim sometimes.
You will. It is fun and healthy.
I am ready to start. Let us go to the gym.
Yes, let us go.
Calling a doctor's office, making an appointment. Good morning, doctor's office. How can I help you?
Good morning. I would like to register and make an appointment with the doctor, please.
Okay. Have you been to our clinic before?
No, this is my first time.
All right. I will register you. What seems to be the problem today?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
Okay. How long have you had these symptoms?
For 2 days.
Do you have a fever or a cough? No fever, but I have a small cough. Thank you for letting me know. Do you have health insurance? Yes, I do. Great. We can take your insurance information at the clinic. May I have your first name and last name, please? Yes, my name is Emily Parker. Thank you. What is your date of birth? April 15th, 1995. And your phone number, please? It's 415-555-2874. Thank you. Let me check the schedule. You're in luck. We have an appointment available tomorrow. That's great. The doctor will be Dr. Johnson. Is 9 a.m. okay for you? Yes, 9 a.m. works for me. Perfect. You are scheduled for tomorrow at 9 a.m.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Please arrive 10 minutes early. Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
At the doctor's office. Check in. Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I have an appointment with the doctor.
Okay. What is your full name, please?
My name is Emily Parker.
Thank you, Emily. What time is your appointment?
At 9 a.m.
All right. Please have a seat for a moment.
Okay.
Do you have your insurance card with you?
Yes, I do.
Great. May I see it, please? Here you go. Thank you. I will give it back in a moment.
Okay.
Is this your first visit to our clinic?
Yes, it is.
All right. Please fill out this form with your information.
Sure.
If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. You can write your phone number and emergency contact here.
Okay.
When you finish, please bring the form back to me. No problem. The doctor will see you shortly. Thank you very much.
Buying a laptop. Hello, welcome to Tech Store. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a laptop.
Sure. What do you need it for?
I need it for work, emails, and documents.
Okay, something simple and fast?
Yes, my last laptop broke.
Oh no, what happened?
I spilled coffee on it.
That happens sometimes. Bad luck.
Yes, it was a very bad morning.
Let me show you this model. It's fast and very reliable.
It looks nice. Is it good for work?
Yes, it has a fast processor and long battery life.
Sounds good. How much is it?
This one is $1,000.
Oh, that's too expensive for me.
I understand. What is your budget?
Around $700.
Okay, let me check that for you.
Thank you.
You're lucky today.
Really?
Yes, this laptop is on sale right now.
Oh, nice.
It's fast, light, and perfect for work.
How much is it?
This one is $699.
That's perfect.
It also has good battery life and enough memory for your work.
Great. I really like it.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, I'll take it.
Excellent choice.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. You will enjoy this laptop.
Buying a coffee machine. Hello, can I help you with anything?
Hello. Yes, I'm looking for a good coffee machine.
Sure.
I drink coffee every morning. I usually buy it at a cafe.
I understand.
but buying coffee every day is expensive.
That's true. A coffee machine will save you money and time.
Exactly. That's why I'm here.
Let me show you this model. It's very easy to use.
Okay.
I actually have the same machine at home.
Oh, really?
Yes, and the coffee is delicious.
That sounds great.
It also has a milk frother.
Perfect. I like coffee with milk.
You can make cappuccino and latte very easily.
I love that.
It's also easy to clean.
That's important to me.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, I think this is the right one for me.
Great choice.
Thank you for your help.